Hello guys, welcome today. In this video series, each of web application create the discussion. I use the fifth video for topic. So these topics. The first one, designing responsive user sign-in and sign-up page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. Second one, program the using sign-up process including input validation. Third one, program the user signing in process. Fourth one, developer remember me add on sign-in process. Fifth one, developer forgot password adding on for sign-in process. Sixth one, designing a dynamic responsive home page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. 7. Develop a carousel for homepage using Bootstrap and JavaScript. 8. Program the web home page including session management and last product listing. 9. Program the using sign out process using sessions management. 10. Designing a responsive user profile page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. 11. Program the user profile updating process. 12. Designing a responsive product relation page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 13. Program the product registration process including image uploading. 14. Program the product updating process. 15. Designing a responsive sellers store page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 16. Program the seller store using product storing and pagination. 17. Program the seller products activation and deactivation process. 18. Designing a responsive product searching page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 19. Program the basic product searching process including pagination. 20. Program the advanced product searching process including pagination. 21. Program the product storing process. 22. Designing a responsive single product viewing page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 23. Program the single product view page including the seller information. 24. Designing a responsive watchlist page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 25. Program the watchlist page including product adding and viewing process. 26. Program the product removing process from the watchlist. 27. Designing a responsive cart page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 28. Program a cart page including product adding and viewing process. 29. Program the cart total price calculation process including the delivery fee. 30. Designing a responsive product details pop-up model in the cart session using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 31. Program the product remove process from the cart. 32. Designing a responsive invoice page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 33. Program the product purchasing. 33. Program the product purchasing process toward the pay here payment gateway. 34. Program the invoice page. 35. Designing a responsive purchase history pages using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 36. Program the feedback sending process to the purchased product. 37. Designing a responsive message page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 38. Program the message sending and viewing process. 39. Designing a responsive sign-in page from admin panel using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 40. Program the admin sign-in process including the verification code. 41. Designing a responsive admin homepage using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 42. Program the admin homepage including the summarized report. 43. Designing the responsive message. Manage user page in admin panels using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 44. Designing a responsive managed product page in admin panel using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 45. Designing a responsive single product view model in product page using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 46. Designing a responsive grid categories registration model in management product page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript Bootstrap. 47. Designing a view message model in admin panel using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. 48. Program the message viewing and replying process. 49. Designing the responsive product selling history page in admin using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. Last one. Program the product selling history page including products, searching, viewing, and pending delivery. So today I discussed my plan. Next week we see this first topic. How to subscribe my channel and hit that bell notification. Do you have any question? Comment down below. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon.